Eid Mubarak. At the very beginning of my lecture, first of all, I'd like to welcome my viewers who are watching me at this moment. Viewers, after a long time, today I am here before you with a new topic. My today's discussing topic is vocabulary. My today's topic is vocabulary. That means today I will talk to you, today I will talk before you about the necessity of vocabulary. Viewers, it is clear, it is known to all that those persons, those guys who know vocabulary well, it is easy for him to do well in the English exams. That means English will be very easy to you if you know vocabulary more and more. That is why the necessity of learning vocabulary, learning word meaning is must. Viewers, from my point of view, I will say that vocabulary is the soul of English language. Not only English language, vocabulary is the soul of all types of language, I think. Because without knowing vocabulary, without knowing word meaning, it is quite impossible for us to do well in the English exams. It is quite impossible for us to do anything in English language. So the importance of learning vocabulary is much. Why? At the very beginning of my lectures, first of all, I want to say, in the case of reading text, in the case of understanding text, viewers, those persons who know vocabulary well, any types of text will be easy for him to understand. On the other hand, if anyone doesn't know any types of vocabulary, so to understand any types of text will be so much difficult for him, for that guys. That is why in the case of reading text, the importance of vocabulary is must. Secondly, I will say, or in the case of writing, the vocabulary also plays a vital roles. Those persons, especially if you know vocabulary well, then it will be possible for you to make any type of sentence, to write any types of views. You will be able to express yourself by writing that. So in the case of writing, I think the necessity of vocabulary or word meaning is must. Then thirdly, in the case of speaking, viewers, if you want to speak, you have to know vocabulary. If you don't know vocabulary, then how is it possible to speak before others? If you don't know word meaning, then how is it possible to express yourself in English versions? So the first and major material for speaking is word meaning or vocabulary, I think. This is so much essential. That is why very often I advise the speakers, I advise the learners to memorize, to gather new vocabulary, to gather the general to word meaning in their memory. If you be able to gather a lot of vocabulary in your memory, only then it will be possible for you to express yourself. Only then it will be possible to you to speak in English. Not only in English, any types of language. In case of any types of language, if any persons want to speak he or she must know the vocabulary or word meaning. That is why in the case of speaking, I will say the necessity of learning word meaning or learning vocabulary is must, no doubt. And fourthly, in the case of listening, you must know the vocabulary. A speaker is talking before you hear. If you can't guess the word, if you can't understand the word meaning of that person's, then it will be meaningless for you to understand his speech. Actually, without knowing vocabulary, without knowing a word meaning, it will not be possible for you to understand any types of speaking, any types of speaker. That is why in the case of listening, the word or vocabulary is must. And finally, I will say any types of exam, in all types of exam, vocabulary must play a vital role. In the exam hall, if you know vocabulary more and more, then it will give you extra benefit to understand the questions. At the same time, if you understand the questions easily, quietly, then it will be possible for you to write the answers. Otherwise, it will not be possible. Then in the case of admission tests, especially I will say for university exam test, for university admission test, vocabulary is must. Here you have to know a lot of vocabulary, because in the questions you will see various types of unknown words. If you know the vocabulary, then the text will be easy for you to understand. And here I will say, in the case of MCQ questions, any types of exam, for any types of job exam and job test, if you know vocabulary well, then you will get extra benefit in the examinations hall, I think. Then finally, and in the last, I will say that in writing paragraph, viewers, if you want to write a paragraph, you must know, you must gather some words in your mind, in your memory. If you be able to gather the various types of words in your memory, in your mind, only then it will be possible for you to write any type of paragraph, to give answer any type of paragraphs in the exams. So in fine, I will say that English, in the case of learning English, for understanding English, vocabulary is must. And finally, I will say that vocabulary is the soul of a language, any types of language. So let's know vocabulary. Dear viewers, this is all for you for today. Next time I will come before you with another topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz.